What's the name of the falls? Anybody know?
Niagara.
Niagara, yeah. Okay, the erosion's really happening here. It's down to about 10 feet high. Up there's where we were. We were heading to Woodstock Tower Road, but we chickened out. Don't know how high it was. Woodstock Tower. Woodstock Tower Road. What? They get open the door. But anyway, this is the waterfalls that we ran into. Roger is behind us right there. Let's see if I can see him. Yep, there he is. Zach's in the passenger seat. Yep, there we go. Gushing down the steps. Looks like there's steps right there you can walk up. Oh, there comes the person we might ask. Right there.